guys, Tammy here. So I'm back with my tag, my fall tag, and I'm going to make a video, but it's going to be a time-lapse video because I don't want you to have to stay on too long to watch the entire thing. And so I've got my tag, I've got all my pieces cut out. I've got the flowers that I'm going to use. I've got some words that I cut out in vinyl, and I'm going to be using those on a little banner. And this is my tag. I've already added my picture of the tree with the fall leaves on it, and I've added some doilies to the corners, and I'm just going to show you my process. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so I'm finished with the tag. And I had a little hiccup with the Nuvo drops, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really like this one because it's the Golden Sunset and it clogs up a lot. So I tried squeezing it too hard and yeah, it went everywhere. So I'm going to be throwing this bottle out. Well, I don't know if I can find the tip because I threw the tip away. Yeah, I don't know. I've never had any really good luck with that one. So, but anyway, I did put Nuvo drops on here, so I did get some on here. But here's the finished tag. I'm going to let the Nuvo drops dry before I actually add, I think I'm going to add some eyelash trim. The rest of this will go on the top. And then I've got some fall, I think I have some fall ribbon left. And if I don't, then I'll probably just coordinate with like white and orange. And put those in to hold the tag, but I'm going to let the Nuvo drops dry first. And that usually takes like all day. So, but anyway, there's my tag, my finished tag. I'll be sending that as part of my swap. So give thanks, don't forget. So anyway, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to be notified when I upload more videos, please hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell icon to the right, that will notify you when I do upload more videos. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of the day, and I will talk to you later.